Yeah, the digital marketing community is gonna hate me after I tell you this, but all of these ebooks for like chat prompts, chat GTP prompts, and all that kind of stuff, they don't work anymore, or at least they work, but they're not as effective. They're all written last year when chat GPT was taking off and it just came in the market, and you can get the free version and type some things, and like, holy shit, it's giving me all of this cool stuff. One, ChatGPT free is outdated. The last time it was ingested any data was 2022. If you missed it, there's a video I'll tag below explaining that. Second, there's way better ways of doing things. Nowadays, instead of buying an ebook, you need to find someone like me to build you your custom GPT. It still uses the ChatGPT OpenAI's technology, but it's more specific to what you want. Right now, if you look at the prompt below, that was made with a custom GPT. For these types of videos, I have a GPT for almost every sort of type of action that I do. I no longer have to remind it what I want it to do or feed it data, feed instructions. I just say, hey, how's it going? They say, hey, Rico, how's it going? Good. What can I do for you? Oh, I have this that I want to do. I copy paste, press the button. It's done in 13 seconds. I post it. I move on with my life.